We need to find the equation of the line through these points and write it in slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. So first we need to find the slope when we have the 2 points, and so we're going to use the formula m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if you remember, we've got our points here. We can call this our first one, x1, y1. We can call this our second point, x2 and y2. So we'll just substitute those in and find our slope. We get negative 70 minus 56 in the numerator, and then negative 9 minus 9 in the denominator. So negative 70 minus 56, it's like we're adding in the negative direction. So we're down 70, we go down 56 more. So we'll be at negative 126. Now negative 9 minus 9, it might be tempting to think, oh, that's 0. But again, it's not. We're adding in the negative direction. So we're down 9 and we're going down 9 more. So we'll be at negative 18. Now it's a negative divided by a negative. So those cancel and we end up with a positive. And luckily this one works out really nice. So we get our slope equals 7. Okay, there's a couple different ways to do this part. I'll show you my preferred method, and it is using the point slope formula. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. If you have a different method you like and it works, go with that, and that will be just great. So we're going to choose one of the points to plug in. It really doesn't matter which one. So I guess I'll just do the first one, this 956. So we'll use our slope, m equals 7, and the point 956 to substitute in. So we leave the y, we're going to substitute in for y1, the 56, equals m, which is 7, times x minus the x coordinate of our point, or 9. And now we've got to simplify. We basically want to solve for y, so it ends up as this y equals mx plus b. So let's distribute the 7 in. We'll get 7x, 7 times 9 is 63, so minus 63. We still have y minus 56. We want to isolate the y, so add 56 to both sides. So we get y equals 7x. Now in this one, we're down 63, and we're going to come up 56. So we'll be at 7. Now it'll be a negative 7 because of the 63. Okay, so that will be our final answer. Y equals 7x minus 7. Again, if you do this a different way and you're getting the right answer, go with that method if it makes more sense, but here is another one.